subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Hello friends, today we talk about new Lava TWS. Lava International Limited has just announced a new product in India. The device is a new true wireless earbuds called the Probuds 2. Lava Probuds 2 features 14 meters M dynamic drivers that the company claims will deliver powerful thumping bass. Furthermore, the earbuds also arrives with an instant wake and pair technology and Bluetooth 5.0 that offers seamless connectivity. Indian electronic product makers new Probuds 2 offers up to 23 hours of battery life, with the earbuds having 5 hours of audio playback, while the charging base offers an additional 18 hours. TWS Earbuds also arrives with an IPX5 certification for water and sweat resistance as well. Probuds 2 will be available in India for $23, although their company is offering the earbuds for a special introductory price of $19. It will also support Google and Siri voice assistants alongside intuitive gesture controls. So friends, how did you like these new great earbuds of Lava? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.